In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get Roblox on your PC. So getting Roblox is nothing difficult. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So before you can get Roblox on your PC, you need to have this. You need to have the Roblox player on here. So you can see, I'm going to show you guys how to download that and then access Roblox game straight away from this player. And also in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how you can download the Roblox Studio for your development project you intend to do on Roblox platform. So now let's get going with the main part of the video. So now to install or to start using Roblox on your PC, just come on your browser like this on your laptop and then you search Roblox like this and then you hop on the website like this. So here just tap on the login and then you move to the login page. So I think the search result is going to differ depending on the country you are inside. So if you search and you don't see any of these things, just tap on this and then log in. So I think definitely you have the app on your mobile phone, so you should have a login. You should create an account. So use that login to log into your Roblox account on your laptop. So on here, all you need to do is just tap on any game. So I have this game opened here. This is Ultimate Driving and I have it opened here. Good. So to play a game on your laptop or on your PC, all you need to do is just tap on this. Good. Roblox is now loading. You're going to see a pop-up. Good. So since I have Roblox already installed on my PC, it's just opening the app. When I tap on this and then they tell me Roblox is loading, they will give me a file to download, which is the player file. I'll just have to download it and install. So the player has opened. Let me close that one too as well. So I'll just have to download it and then I install it just like you're installing a normal file. So before I can do that, I have to delete this player from my PC and I don't want to do that. I just want to show you guys how to do this in the video. So that's it. For now, you can get Roblox on your PC. So if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. I'm going to help you solve that. That's it for the video. If you're new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.